Step 1. Apply silver coat. Step 2. Apply second coat silver. Step 3. Put nail tapes of any color. Step 4. Apply green coat. Step 5. Apply second coat green. Step 6. Apply green glitter. Step 7. Make a crescent and a star using silver nail paint with thin brush. Step 8. Apply silver glitter on tips. Step 9. Apply top coat and you are done. Subscribe now for more interesting content. Like the video and share it with your friends and family. Do not forget to press bell icon for timely updates. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments section. You can also follow me on TikTok, Instagram and Facebook. Links in description. Here is the final look.